Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we'll be solving question number 3 from page number 184. The balance sheet of the Anu, Renu and Dinu is as follows. The partners are sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 2:2:1 respectively. We have a balance sheet and we have some adjustments below it. So bank balance given to you, debtors, less RDD, furniture, machinery, freehold property, goodwill. Okay, so now here the value of goodwill is given to you in the balance sheet. Okay, so then you have creditors, bills payable, general reserve, capital account of Anu, Renu and Dinu. Dinu retires from the firm on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. The assets are to be revalued as freehold property, so tick mark freehold property, machinery, furniture, all debtors are good like the previous sum and like the first sum. Goodwill of the firm to be valued at thrice the average profit for preceding 5 years. The profits of the firm are for the year is given as follows. 14-15 में 1000 हुआ है, 15-16 में 10,500. तो यानी हमको गुडविल को वैल्यू ढूंढना है. दीनू शुड बी पे ₹3,000 बाय चेक, तो यानी कि पेमेंट हो रहा है दीनू को बाय चेक. द बैलेंस ऑफ दीनूज कैपिटल अकाउंट शुड बी केप्ट इन बिजनेस एज लोन. सो वट एवर इज द बैलेंस कम्स इन द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर्स अकाउंट, इट शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज लोन. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, capital accounts of partners, balance sheet of the new firm. So very first we will have a working note of what are accounts we are going to prepare. We are going to prepare revaluation account. We are going to prepare partners capital account. Then we prepare a new balance sheet. Then we have one working note with respect to the calculation of goodwill, and we prepare a small bank account also. So first, calculation of goodwill. The first step is total profit. Total profit means you add up all the profit, 1000 plus 10,500 plus 10,000, 16,000, 10,000. Average profit you find out. So 10, 20, 30, 46, 47,500. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. That is 5. 5 nines are 45, 2, 25, 5 are 25. So that comes to 9,500. And the goodwill is average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. So 9,500 into 3. So you will be getting 28,500. Now we will start posting. First is bank given to you. So bank is the opening balance. So we write here 2 balance brought down. It is 5,000. Debtors it is 20,000. Furniture 15,000. Machinery 4,000. Freehold property 27,000. Goodwill 30,000. Creditors it is 8,000. Bills payable it is 2,000. Then you have general reserve. General reserve you distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So general reserve will go in partners capital and credit side by general reserve account. The amount of general reserve is 5,000. 5000 into 2 upon 5, because the ratio is 2:1, so 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this get cancelled, so you will be getting 2000. Second partner also 2000, third partner 1000. So we write here 2000, 2000 and 1000. Opening balance of capital account by balance brought down 40,000, 30,000, 15,000. 40,000, 30,000, 15,000. Dinu retires from the firm on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. Assets were revalued. Freehold property is become 30,000. पहले 27,000 था, अभी 30,000 हुआ है, तो वैल्यू बढ़ गया है, तो इट इज एप्रिसिएशन. 3,000 से बढ़ गया है एप्रिसिएशन. सो एप्रिसिएशन यानी वैल्यू बढ़ गया है. सो वी राइट ऑन रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड बाय फ्री होल्ड प्रॉपर्टी. $3,000 by freehold property 3,000. Then machinery, it has come to 5,000 rupees. पहले था 4,000, अभी वो 5,000. So it is again an appreciation of machinery. 1,000 rupees बढ़ गया है, appreciation है. तो appreciation by machinery 1,000. फर्नीचर का 12,000 है. फर्नीचर आपका 12,000. पहले था 15,000, अभी हुआ 12,000. तो ये कम हुआ है, डेप्रिशिएट हुआ है. 3,000 से कम हुआ है. पहले था 15,000, अभी हुआ 12,000. 3,000 से कम हुआ है, तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड डेप्रिशिएशन बाय 3,000. So depreciation on furniture. 2 furniture 3,000. All debtors are good, यानी अभी आरडीडी नहीं रहेगा. पहले आरडीडी था, अभी आरडीडी नहीं है. पहले ये नहीं मिलने वाला था, अब ये मिलने वाला है. यानी कि जो 1,000 जो आरडीडी पहले था, अब वो आरडीडी नहीं है. दैट मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू गेट फ्रॉम आवर कस्टमर. तो इट इज़ अ प्रॉफिट फॉर द बिजनेस. सो बाय आरडीडी 1,000 रुपीज़, बाय आरडीडी 1,000 रुपीज़. देन वी हैव गुडविल. गुडविल का वैल्यू दिया है, हमने ढूंढा है. गुडविल का वैल्यू हो गया 28,500. तो आउटर कॉलम में लिखो 28,500. पहले था 30,000, अभी हुआ 28,500. तो यानी कम हो गया है, रिटर्न ऑफ हो गया है, तो 1,500 कम हुआ है. इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट, हम इसे रिवैल्यूएशन के क्रेडिट साइड में भी लिख सकते हैं या पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में भी लिख सकते. तीनों को जाएगा ये, वो भी चलेगा आपको. ठीक है, आइदर वे इज राइट. सो 1,500 आइदर यू राइट इन रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड, या तो आप यहाँ पे लिखो तीनों बांट दो बाय गुडविल अकाउंट. जैसे मैं बताता हूँ यहाँ पे आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो बाय गुडविल अकाउंट. तो ये 1,500 है, तीनों में बांट दो. सो कितना आएगा 600, 300. ठीक है, अब दोनों मेथड इज राइट. ओके, लेकिन दोनों में लिखना नहीं. ठीक है, उसके बाद है दीनू शुड बी पेड ₹3,000 बाय चेक. दीनू को हमें पे करना है, वी हैव टू पे दीनू. तो दीनू को पे कर रहा है, तो एंट्री क्या आएगा, दीनू अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बैंक अकाउंट. दीनू को हम पे कर रहे 3,000. सो हमारे पास से पैसा जा रहा है, हमारे पास से पैसा जा रहा है. पैसा किसके पास जा रहा है, दीनू के पास जा रहा है. सो दीनू कैपिटल अकाउंट 3,000. सीधा जर्नल एंट्री इज Dinu's capital account debit. Dinu is a receiver. Dinu's capital account debited to बैंक account. तो दीनू इज अ रिसीवर, तो दीनू के डेबिट में आएगा. दीनूज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बैंक अकाउंट, तो बैंक के क्रेडिट में आया बाय दीनूज कैपिटल अकाउंट, और पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के डेबिट में आया टू बैंक अकाउंट 3000 रुपीज़. सो नाउ वी हैव टू क्लोज द अकाउंट. रेस्ट ऑल अकाउंट्स, ऑल एडजस्टमेंट्स वी हैव डन. सो नाउ if you see the goodwill is 30,000 and the new value of goodwill is 28,500. So the value of goodwill has come down. It is called return off. So you write this the debit side of revaluation account to goodwill account 500 rupees. You can either write on debit side of revaluation account, or you can write in partners capital account debit side. Now we will close the account. The total of credit is 5,000. Credit side is heavier. 5,000 minus 3,500. Sorry, this is 1,500. So it will be 500. It will go to partners capital account, to partners capital account, underline it, Anu, Renu, Dinu, distributed among the partners in the ratio 2:2:1. It comes to 200, 200, 100. This is on debit side. This will come to credit side of partners capital account by revaluation account. In bracket you write profit. So 200, 200 and 100. Now you close the partners capital account. So the credit side is heavier, 42,200, 32,200, 16,100, 42,200, 32,200, 16,100. So now balance carried down, 42,200, 32,200. Dinu is getting retired, so his amount will go to his loan account. 16,100 minus it will be 13,100. So this amount will go to balance sheet, liability side, capital account, underline it, Anu Renu. The amount is 42,200 and 32,200. So add up this, you will be getting 74,200. Then Dinu loan account, we are not going to pay for them, so Dinu loan account, which is 13,100. So now it will tally. So I can total and it will get tally on both the side. Close the bank account. 5,000. Here it is 5,000. It comes to 2,000. By balance, carry it on. This will come in the asset side. Bank account 2,000. So now you add up this one, slight change, 42,200 plus 32,200, it will come 74,400. On adding this, you will be getting 97,500. On the asset side also you have 97,500. We will be solving question number 5 in page number 186. Shah, Lodha and Dole were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:3. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is as follows. Cash, sundry debtors, less RDD, furniture, computers, vehicles. On liability side, we have sundry creditors, bills payable, capital account of Shah, Lodha and Dole. On 1st April 2019, Mr. Lodha retired from the firm on the following terms. Goodwill is to be valued at an average profits and losses of the last 5 years, which were as follows. So the profit and losses are given to you. We have to calculate the goodwill. Computers to be depreciated by 10%, tick mark computers. Furniture to be revalued at 27,500, tick mark furniture. Vehicles appreciated by 20%, tick mark vehicles. RDD was no longer necessary, tick mark debtors. Shah and Dole will share the future profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. So here new ratio is given to you and the old ratio is also given to you. So we have to find the gain ratio. It was decided that goodwill should not appear in the books of a new firm and amount payable to Lodha is to be transferred to his loan account. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, balance sheet of new firm. So student, here we will be preparing revaluation account. You can call it as either revaluation account or you can call it as profit and loss adjustment account. One and the same. We are solving page number 186, question number 5. Partners capital account, Shah, Lodha, Dole. Then you have a new balance sheet as on 1st April 2019. We have to calculate the gain ratio. Before that, we have to calculate the goodwill also. So we will solve the calculation of goodwill. Working note number 1. Calculation of goodwill. In that first step is total profit is equal to you add up the profit 35,000 plus 20,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 25,000. So if you add up this, you will be getting 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry 4 6 9 11 13. So you will be getting 1,30,000. 5 10 1 4 6 9 11 13, 1,30,000. Second step is average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years. So what is the total profit is 1,30,000 divided by 5. So you will be getting 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 30, 5 6 are 30. You will be getting 26,000. Goodwill is to be valued at an average profit and losses of the last 5 years, which were to be as follows. So here the goodwill is equal to average profit, which is equal to 26,000. Second working note, you have to calculation of gain ratio. So gain ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So now it will be for the continuing partner. So who is getting retired? Lodha is getting retired. So we will be finding for Shah. So what is the new ratio for Shah? New ratio for Shah is 2/3, because the new ratio is given as 2:1 and the old ratio is given as 4:3:3. So new ratio 2/3 minus old ratio 4/10. So 10 2s are 20, 3 4s are 12. 10 2s are 20, 3 4s are 12 upon 30. So 8/30. Same way we have Lodha. Lodha new ratio is 1/3. Old ratio is 3/10. So 10 1s are 10, 3 3s are 9. So it will be 1/30. Start solving the sum. First is cash. So cash we will write directly in asset side, cash account, which is 9,000 rupees. Cash is 9,000. Then you have sundry debtors. There RDD is no longer necessary, यानी RDD नहीं है. So RDD नहीं है. पहले RDD था, अभी वो RDD नहीं है. तो ये RDD नहीं है तो अपने लिए फ़ायदा हुआ है. So we write in credit side by RDD account, which will give you 1,000 rupees. Furniture is rupees 25,000. Then you have computers, which is 43,000. You have vehicles, you have 45,000. Sundry creditors, which is 20,000. You have bills payable, which is 4,000. You have capital account, we write in credit side by balance brought down, 45,000, 35,000, 27,000. First one is goodwill is to validate an average profit and losses of the last 5 years, which were to be as follows. So we have done the calculation of goodwill. So first goodwill is raised. So what is goodwill is raised? So it was decided that goodwill is to be valued at an average profit and losses of the last 5 years, which were as follows. So here I think goodwill के बारे में raised हुआ है. It was decided that goodwill should not appear in the books of the new firm, and amount payable to Lodha is to be transferred to his loan account. So here I think the goodwill will be, the entry is goodwill is raised fully. So the entry will be, for that the entry will be goodwill account debited to all partners capital account. Goodwill account debited to all partners capital account. So goodwill account we are not, suppose if you are preparing goodwill account, a small goodwill account will prepare. So goodwill account debit side to Shah capital account, to Lodha capital account, to Dhole capital account. So the goodwill amount was 26,000. So 26,000 into 4/10, 26,000 into 3 upon 10, as the ratio is 4:3:3. So you will be getting 10,400, 7,800, and third partner also 7,800. So this you will write in debit side, 10,400, 7,800, 7,800. Second effect you will show in partners capital account credit side by goodwill account, which is 10,400, 7,800, 7,800. This is the goodwill raised entry. Second adjustment, computer to be depreciated at 10%. Depreciation at 10%, 4,300. You will have 39,700. Sorry, 38,700. Second effect, it's a depreciation, it is a loss for the business. So we write here two computers, $4,300. Furniture to be revalued at 27,500. So furniture value is 27,500. Compare the new and the old value. पहले 25,000 था, अभी 27,500 हुआ. It is called appreciation, which is 2,500. appreciation है, बढ़ गया वैल्यू 2,500, will give you 27,500. So furniture appreciation by furniture account will give you 2,500. Vehicles appreciated by 20%. Appreciation 20%. So you will be getting 9,000. So you will be getting 54,000. Second effect, profit loss adjustment in credit side by vehicles. It is appreciation, right? 9,000 credit side. RDD was no longer necessary, that we have done. Shah and Dole will share the future profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. This is given to find the gain ratio. I think already we have found the gain ratio. It was decided that goodwill should not appear in the books of the new firm, यानी कि goodwill फर्म में बैलेंस शीट में दिखाया नहीं जाएगा. इसका मतलब ये हुआ गुडविल को राइट ऑफ करना है. तो राइट ऑफ करने के लिए ही वी नीड अ गेन रेशियो. आई थिंक गेन रेशियो वी गॉट एज 8:1. The gain ratio, if you see, it is 8:1. You got gain ratio as by formula new ratio minus old ratio. Now in the ratio 8:1, you have to write off the goodwill. So the goodwill amount, the total goodwill amount is 26,000 into 8/9. 26,000 into 8/9. So 8 6 are 48, 16 20 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18, 28, 9 4s are 20, 9 3s are 27, remaining 1, 3s are 3s are 3s are, it coming 333. Sorry, 26,000 into 8, it will be 2,08,000 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18, 28, 9 to 27, remaining 1. 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9. 0.111. So this will give you 23,111. Okay, and if you, so 23,111, this is a return of amount. So the total goodwill amount was 26,000. Out of that, 23,111 is given to the first partner Shah. It will be 2,999. 299. So the entry will be continuing partners debited to goodwill account. So 23,111 and 2,999. So 2,889. Second effect, in goodwill account credit side, by Shah capital account and by Dole capital account, 23,111, 2,889. So now we have to close the account. First we will close the revaluation account. So 9, 10, 12,500, 12,500 minus 4,300. So 8,200. This will be given to all the partners. So to partners capital account, Shah, Lodha and Dhole. So 8,200 multiplied by 4 upon 10. 8,200 multiplied by 3 upon 10. So you will be getting 3280. You will be getting 2460. 2460. Second effect, by profit and loss adjustment account, its profit, you will be getting 3280, 2460, 2460. So now you add up this. $37,260, $58,680, $45,260, $37,260. So Lodha is getting retired, so his amount will go to loan account. So to loan account, 45,260, and then remaining 50 minus 23,111, 7, let's say 1 year 6, 5, 35,569. 34,371. This will go to balance carry down. So the partner who is retiring, his amount will go to his loan account. So then we write here in the liability side, capital Shah 35,569, Dole 34,371, 569, 31,371, 34,371, 69,940, and then you write here Lodha loan account 45,260. So now you total the it's 1,39,200. $1,39,200. So the sum gets tallied. That means our sum is absolutely right.